welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. I'm going to be starting with skincare, and I'm going to be using my Clinique clarifying lotion. This is a exfoliant. I'm just going to be putting that on a cotton pad and rubbing it all over my face. Then I'm going to be using my Mary Jane CBD Glow Serum by Truly Beauty. I'm going to be putting everything that I use in the corner, so if you guys are wondering what exact product I'm using, just look in the left bottom hand corner and you will see. I'll also have it all linked down below. I'm going to be taking it on a crystal roller and just melting that into my face as well. And going in with another Clinique product, this is the Moisture Surge Overnight Mask, and I'm just going to be using it like a regular moisturizer, since this one you don't actually have to wash off, you can just leave it on, and I'm going to be using this to prep my skin as well. One of my favorite things to do is exfoliate and moisturize my lips, so I'm going to be going in with this lip scrub by Tree Hut. This one is the SUGARLIPS, I believe. It's really minty and I really like this one. It's a little expensive, but it's really nice. I'm also going to be using a lip plumping mask. This is the Heartbreaker one by Truly Beauty again. This one makes your lips tingle super bad, so if you don't like an intense tingle, I wouldn't recommend it. However, I think it feels really nice. It's also super cute. It has little sparkles in it and little heart sparkle thingies, and just super cute. I'm also going to be starting on my brows. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel and pushing my brows up. Then I'm going to be using the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Mocha. I like to start with the bottom of my brow and kind of outline that and then fill in the rest. And then just go from there. And then I'll also shape it, as you can see me doing right there. Yeah. Next, I'm going to be going in with foundation. This is a Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation. I thought it was in the shade Ivory Beige or something, but it's actually in the shade Porcelain Ivory, which I think the first shade I listed is actually way too dark for my skin tone, but this one works pretty well. I'm taking it on a beauty blender. This is the one by the Beauty Blender brand. Oh my gosh, tongue twister. But honestly, I just recommend a e.l.f. or Morphe beauty blender, because for $20, I don't think that this beauty blender one is worth the money, honestly. Anyway, now I'm just gonna be going straight into concealer. This is my all-time favorite concealer. It's the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Beige, and I'm gonna just be putting it on the highlighted areas that you can see on the screen, and then again with the same beauty blender, just blending that in. Now I'm going to be taking a different concealer and carve out my brows. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Ivory, and I'm going to be taking a flat brush, and again just putting it under my brows to really clean and carve them out. This step is really unnecessary. You could just use the concealer I just used and put that all over your lid, but I really like this eye primer. This is the one by MORPHE, and I just used my finger to blend that in over the concealer because I didn't put too much concealer that covered my entire lid. I just used enough to carve out my brow, and then I just put this eyelid primer right over it. And again, using the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline, this time in the shade Cocoa. I'm going to be using it as contour. The shade is a little bit too dark for my skin tone, even as contour. That's why I'm just literally dabbing it on just a little bit at a time. But I do like the cool toned that it is, and that's why I'm just going to keep on using it until I probably run out of it. And just use a little bit of product and just put on if I need more on. Then I'm going to be setting my makeup using the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder. This one is in the shade Vanilla. I absolutely love this powder. I get no flashback when I take pictures, and it's just super soft, and I just love it. I recommend it. It is pretty pricey, and I'm sure there's drugstore ones out there that do the job, but I just really love this one. Then I'm going to be using this Benefit Cheekstar Reunion Tour palette. As I put down below, it's not sold as a palette like this anymore, but each shade that's in the palette is sold individually, which, I mean, you're not really saving your money like I did getting the palette, but if you do want these products, they are available just individually. Then I'm going to be applying blush. This is in the shade Pink Romance, actually, and I'm just going to dab it on my brush and then dab it on my face because I don't want too much product, because as you can see my face in the video, it kind of scared me, but once I blended it out, it looked super pretty and super flushed, so I really loved that. For my eyes today, I'm going to be taking the Profusion Cosmetics palette. This is the MOAVES palette. I don't know if I'm even pronouncing that right, but the palette itself is just so freaking pretty, and all those shades come to $5. That's literally it. And I thought they blended super well, and they were super pigmented, and I definitely recommend this palette. So I'm just going to play some music for you guys and just enjoy me doing my eyes. If you guys have any questions or want me to go into further detail about how I'm blending or the exact colors I'm using and the placement, just let me know, comment below, and maybe on another video I can go into a lot more detail about it. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Kiss Looks So Natural lashes in the style Flirty. While I'm letting those dry, I'm going to be putting on eyeliner. This is the Dose of Colors in the shade Unbox, I believe it is. I did get this in BoxyCharm, so I didn't actually pay the price on the screen for it. I got it in BoxyCharm, so it was a lot cheaper. Next is mascara. I'm going to be using this LANCOME lash mascara. I'm not even going to pronounce how it's supposed to be pronounced because I'm literally just going to butcher it. But again, I'll have it linked down below. So if you're interested in this mascara, go ahead and just look down below and it'll be there for you. Here I'm just applying my lashes. Again, if you guys want like a little tutorial on how exactly I apply my lashes, I can do that too because I know a lot of people struggle with this. So again, if you guys just want something like that, let me know. Then for lips, I'm going to be using this Essence lipstick. I don't even know what shade it's in. I got it literally forever ago, but it's so pretty and I thought it matched my eye look really well. I did link something that was similar because I really don't think that they have that same shade anymore. Then I'm going to be using this Lizzie McGuire ColourPop lip gloss to just overline it. Then setting my face, I'm going to be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and going about 2 feet back. I'm spraying it and then fanning my face with my hands to let it dry. Then I'm going to be going back in with this Cheek Star palette, using it for highlight. That's a cookie highlighter. Again, all these products can be found individually. I don't think I showed the palette earlier. I know it's like super destroyed, but I did use the Hoola bronzer that's in there. And then again, the cookie highlighter that I am placing on right now. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this super simple, easy tutorial. I really hope you guys have a good day and make sure you stay tuned for my next video and subscribe. Bye!